Hey everyone, Hassan Anjum here. Unpacked right around the corner. We've got tons of new products coming. But today, we've got something special to share with you. You know, I'm part of an extraordinary team that's really behind these Galaxy products, so we get really excited when we get to share the products with you. But you know, to share this announcement, I actually wanted to share it in a very special way, and I enlisted the help of two new friends in Toronto and gave them a sneak peek on the product. I even ended up on Super Saf TV. Let's check it out.
What's up guys, Super Saf here, and out of all places, I'm in Toronto to work on a special project with a good friend.
Saf!
Hey man!
What's going on, bud?
Good to have you here.
Welcome to the north.
Yeah man, it's cold.
Dude, you ready to cue that B-roll?
Let's do it.
Let's go. After you.
So it's in here.
This is it.
Can we do the honors?
Yeah, but
Please.
Like first, like, look at this case.
It's nice, man.
Okay, crack.
All right, come on, let's, you wanna,
I never get to unbox
Dude.
anything.
we're gonna get some of that heavenly music. This is so cool.
I heard it.
All right.
Guys, introducing the Galaxy Tab S5e.
This is thinner than an SD card.
That is cool.
Look at it. Like, what's the actual, who's it for?
Peter, this is for someone who wants the best Galaxy features at a unique price point.
What are you most proud of?
We're really proud that we're able to jam-pack so much innovation into such a slim profile.
Yeah.
I think we need to do a Super Saf style first look. It's just 5.5 millimeters thin and around 400 grams, 10.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a 287 ppi pixel density, so things are super crispy and sharp. An 82% screen-to-body ratio, so you're maximizing that display with minimal bezels. Quad speakers, so everything's just pumping. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 670 processor, 4 or 6 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of base storage. There's also a 128 gigabyte version, and you can expand using the micro SD card slot up to 512 gigabytes. What can you tell me about some of the other features?
Well, this tablet's the first one to actually support the new Bixby. So it's a new way to interact with your device.
Nice.
It's got Pogo keyboard support and also Pogo stand support.
Awesome, so you've got flexibility there as well. And cameras?
The cameras are amazing as well. 13 megapixel in the back and 8 megapixels in the front. Pictures, extremely crystal clear. But enough about this, man. You guys need to play around with the device. Take it out for a spin, man.
I'm excited. You gonna show me around Toronto?
Well, yeah, coffee shop first. That's the first stop.
Coffee sounds good.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Hassan, thank you for showing us around, man. And we'll catch you later.
Yeah, absolutely. Have fun.
Thanks, man. Okay, so we've got this thing for a bit. Let's, obviously, we got to start with coffee.
Hi, Bixby. Find me some coffee shops nearby.
Here are some coffee shops in Toronto.
Deneen Coffee, let's go there. That's good.
Dude, let's do it.
Okay, I'll grab the lights.
I got it. Hi, Bixby. Turn off the lights.
Sure thing. Outlet is now turned off.
How many of these can you edit at a time? Like, how fast is this? Like, could you open like a whole bunch?
I mean, it's been really smooth. This is the thing. I mean, because we've got it's a large display. So how do you find editing images on this?
I mean, this is great, considering too that like we're in a really bright coffee shop right now with like backlight and everything, and I'm having no issues looking at photos that I'm editing. So that's a huge
Super
plus.
AMOLED, man.
Yeah,
The tech is the best.
I'm new to that. That's
I'm
this is
telling you,
amazing.
now, whenever you buy a new product, always look for Super AMOLED. Got a message?
Oh,
Is that Hassan?
yeah, there you go.
Well, should we tell him to meet us at the seat later?
Yeah, I mean, like, let's go take more photos because we
Okay.
still got lots of light, so
Cool.
we can run around and shoot a bit more.
Done.
What's up, guys?
Yo,
Hey, man.
Whose idea was this to film in this weather?
that is all.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't realize how cold it's gonna be.
He was like, I
you
want
guys didn't tell me.
When I said take it for a test drive, I didn't mean it in this weather. And what do you think so far?
Oh man, it's what I like about this is like the brightness. Like even though we're in like direct sunlight, I can still see. I've even got sunglasses on, but I can still see everything clearly, which is really good. This is the coldest I have been in my life, and that's not an exaggeration. All right, dude, let's check out these pictures.
Dude, throw that in there.
Oh yeah, got the micro SD. Yeah, that was pretty much instant. I love expandable memory.
You don't even look cold, man.
I am a good actor.
I've got another spot that we can take pictures.
Yeah?
You guys want to go?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it, man. Let's go. It's so cold. Let's go.
Yeah, we took a lot.
These are sick. New profile picture.
Yes.
Done.
Please.
This is so
That's gonna be
sick.
my profile picture.
And here's a shot of me and you.
You guys are looking cold, man.
Man, we are so cold. I'm liking one UI. I like that you've got the preview of the towels on here so we can switch between. And I can see here that while we were in Toronto, it was super cold.
Okay, I don't know about you. I'm hungry. Do you wanna go eat?
Dude, I
Yeah.
can definitely eat.
Okay, you
Let's go.
good?
Let's do it.
Hungry? Okay. Food. Let's find food.
Food. Man, it's cold out there.
Yeah, it's not very
Well, I've got
pleasant.
some warm pizza for you guys.
Awesome. Peter, how do you like having your pizza?
I'm big on efficiency, so what I usually like to do is just to get it done. You know, just get it done. I like
Oh.
to stack and just go 2 at a time.
And so I kind of like just having it normally. What about you, Hassan?
I like it folded.
Guys, check out some of the shots that we got, man.
Whoa, can you actually share that with me?
Of course, man. Of course. Let's do it. Let's get this one, this one, this one. Send.
Perfect.
The highlight for me was when we were out with the ATVs,
Yeah.
and I'm really sorry you missed out, man. I'm really
It's a
sorry you
real
did.
shame.
But we have some B-roll which we can share with you to just rub it in even more.
Yeah.
If you want to see that, let's go and play this.
Look at that. Look.
Dude,
Butter.
that is so sick.
Getting through the tree. That's just.
Oh, man.
See the snow? See it's all just flying everywhere. Look at this.
This is the money shot. The money shot's coming up. Oh, man. That is so sick.
I think my favorite part of this, though, is definitely the screen and how thin it was.
Yeah, the Super AMOLED screen, bright colors, vivid
Yeah.
quad speakers, so
Yeah,
extremely
yeah.
crisp, extremely clear,
Sound great.
and Dolby Atmos, so surround sound, almost like a personal theater experience.
Yeah, it's deceptive because like you get that pump out of such like a small.
It's 5.5
It's-
millimeters thin.
That's insane. How thin and light this is. And we were using this like throughout the day. Battery life has been really good.
Yeah, inside, outside, cold weather, coffee shops.
It's
held up.
Awesome. And we've got this Pogo dock here, right?
You've got an option for a pogo stand and even an option for a keyboard cover. You can really use it any way you want. It's a really versatile tablet. All right, guys, I had a blast with you guys, and I want to officially invite you to Unpacked to talk about the next
Sweet.
generation products.
We are down.
All right, then
We'll be
let me give you a preview.
Oh,
Whoops, almost unpacked too much there. But man, it was awesome hanging out with those two. I'm so glad that they're coming to Unpacked. We had a blast introducing you to the all-new Galaxy Tab S5e. We can't wait for you to try it out too. This is just the beginning. There'll be a lot more product announcements at the event next week, so stay tuned and see you at Unpacked. You know what? Here's a sneak peek. Come on, man.
let's try the Hassan way.
Try folding it. Yeah. It's unique.